You've gotten a quote for a roof replacement this year, and you're wondering, maybe you've seen several different quotes, and one has said that you're going to get felt, and one has said that you're going to get synthetic underlayment. And what's the difference? Why does it matter? Well, felt tears. So when the installers are stepping on it, it can tear. It also just doesn't breathe. Synthetic underlayment allows your roof to breathe, which is a very important thing, so you don't get condensation. And it's lighter. There's several different things. So if you see felt on your roofing estimate, you might want to steer away from it. Here at Summit, we only install synthetic underlayment. For the way that I like to describe it is synthetic underlayment is like a Gore-Tex jacket. It allows the roof to breathe, but it also wicks off any water on top. Whereas felt is like sticking a trash bag over the top of yourself in the rainstorm. Yeah, you're going to stay dry from the rain, but you're also going to sweat, and now you're going to have a ton of condensation, and you're still going to be wet. So that's kind of the difference, how I like to describe felt versus synthetic underlayment, and that's why we only use synthetic underlayment.